Welcome to This Just In, a weekly news show highlighting the people and events in Newport News Public Schools, where hands-on learning and community partnerships provide students with career readiness opportunities. Once again this year, Nelson Elementary held their annual Touch a Truck Career Day. Kindergarten through second grade students were able to explore, climb on, and watch the vehicles in action to better understand the tools and equipment different professions use to get the job done. Students asked questions and interacted with the professionals as they explored a range of possible career pathways. Inside the school, even more presenters were set up in classrooms, using visuals and high-tech gadgets to help explain their careers to the captivated students. Organized by professional school counselor Christina Buckingham, Nelson's Touch a Truck Career Day is a creative and immersive experience for young students dreaming big about their bright futures. Seventh graders at Hines Middle School gained valuable insights during their career day. Professional school counselor Gary Waters and a committee of educators lined up 25 presenters, giving seventh graders a variety of career options to explore. But the future benefits for these students may be more immediate, with some presenters offering internship opportunities for the middle school students now and in high school. Each student was given a worksheet to help them collect information about careers of interest, as well as guide their interaction by offering relevant questions to ask the professionals. The variety of careers represented was impressive and kept the students engaged while they began mapping their future success. Students at Denby's Aviation Academy have real-world opportunities to make their dreams soar.
Through Denby High School's Aviation Academy Magnet program, practical experiences are the key to academic success. Recently, students visited NASA Langley Research Center and Langley Air Force Base to allow their futures to take flight. High school students enrolled in aircraft maintenance tech, piloting, aerospace tech, and introduction to engineering were selected for 2 amazing field trips that align perfectly with their chosen career pathways. At NASA Langley Research Center, 20 students were selected to tour the Model Shop and Flight Research Laboratory, the same hangar where Gemini and Apollo astronauts trained for their trips to the moon. Nowadays, NASA uses this massive hangar to customize and outfit aircraft for a range of specialized research missions, including measuring air quality, assessing wind profiles for offshore wind turbines, and calculating high-altitude pollution. The students received an up-close tour of the facility and aircraft, including unmanned aerial vehicles. During a weekend tour with the Virginia Air National Guard at Langley Air Force Base, 22 Aviation Academy students were able to see what happens behind the scenes of the most advanced air superiority fighter aircraft, the F-22 Raptor. Organized by Aviation Academy instructor Neil Witherspoon, these immersive experiences allowed students to explore specific careers that interest them, while furthering their knowledge and understanding of various aircraft and the study of flight.
The pre-kindergarten and kindergarten students at Marshall Early Learning Center are never too young to begin mapping their future career pathways. During Marshall's Career Fair, students enjoyed visiting a range of careers while also learning about the brave first responders, community organizations, and local agencies that make a city like Newport News run smoothly. The students explored massive vehicles, watched K-9 units in action, and learned how a smoke alarm works to keep families safe at home. Students were able to ask questions while learning how they can begin preparing for their future careers through academic success now. Marshall students enjoyed meeting the officers, deputies, and firemen who work hard every day to keep our schools, communities, and families safe. Graduations are coming up, and here are some dates to remember. And Achievable Dream High School is holding its graduation on Thursday, June 7th at CNU's Ferguson Center for the Arts at 6 p.m. The other 5 high schools will hold graduations at the Hampton Coliseum. Woodside, Denby, and Heritage graduations will be on Saturday, June 9th, with Woodside starting at 10 a.m., followed by Denby at 2 p.m. and Heritage at 6:30 p.m. Minchville and Warwick will hold their graduations the following day on Sunday, June 10th, beginning with Minchville at 2 p.m. and then Warwick at 6 p.m. You can order a DVD of any of the graduations by going to the Forms and Requests page on our website at nnpstv.com and selecting the link for the graduation DVD request form. During the last 3 days of school, from June 12th through June 14th, early childhood centers, as well as elementary and middle schools, will dismiss early. High schools will be on a half-day schedule. The last day of school is on Thursday, June 14th, and the last day for teachers is on Friday, June 15th. Thanks for joining us for this week's edition of This Just In. And check out more fun and informative videos at nnpstv.com to see the many great things happening in Newport News Public Schools. Thanks for watching.